Prop Choice here with another video, and today it's all about value for money. We're uncovering the top prop trading firms that stand out not just for having low entry costs, starting from just $15, but for the whole package they offer. From exceptional customer support and top-notch educational resources to real tangible opportunities for traders like you to make real money. We've researched hundreds of prop firms to identify those that give you the best bang for your buck. Now, before we dive into our top picks, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. It really does make a huge difference, and it'll allow me to continue making helpful content like this. Now, let's get straight into it to reveal the top best value prop trading firms for 2024. Maven Trading offers the lowest cost of entry I've yet to see from any prop firm, starting at $15 for a 2K account. It has a two-step process with a profit target of 8% in the first phase and 5% in the second, alongside a balanced approach to drawdowns, capping daily and overall limits at 4% and 8% respectively. For those who prefer a quicker route to funding, a one-step option with an 8% profit target provides an alternative, adjusting drawdown limits to 3% daily and 5% overall. The 5%ers are a highly regarded prop firm with a range of funding options for all experience levels. For just $39, their high-stakes program opens the doors to a 5K account, requiring a profit target of 8% in Phase 1 and 5% in Phase 2. There's a 5% daily drawdown and a 10% maximum drawdown, representing a balance of achievable rules and affordability. FundedNext is one of the most popular and best reviewed prop firms, with a range of customizable accounts catered to individual trader preferences. With a 6K account starting at $49 for both evaluation and express accounts, FundedNext ranks among the top prop firms for value and accessibility. There's a profit target of 10% in the first phase and 5% in the second, alongside a 5% daily loss limit and 10% maximum loss. MyFundedFX has been ranked among the top players in the industry for some time. The firm is well known for offering a wide range of account options and competitive prices. An entry-level 1, 2, or 3-step challenge account can be purchased for $50. Profit targets stand at 10% for the 1-step challenge, 8% and 6% for the 2-step challenge, and a more forgiving 6% for the 3-step challenge. And finally, Smart Prop Trader, a standout for its ultra-competitive pricing and famous Smart Prop Trader Challenge. Smart Prop Trader has made a significant mark in the prop trading space by funding thousands of traders since its founding in 2022. While the entry cost for the firm is slightly higher than some of the others we listed today, it's important to consider their higher account sizes and value proposition. Prices start at $97 for a 10K account and range up to $497 for a 100K account, representing some of the cheapest prices for account sizes in this range. When you look at what you get for your money with Smart Prop Trader, it becomes clear why they're regarded as one of the best priced firms in the industry. With a leading profit split of 85 to 90%, paired with one of the quickest payout times around and exceptional customer support, Smart Prop Trader sets a high bar. Regular giveaways and discounts further elevate its value proposition. For traders who appreciate the value of the overall package, Smart Prop Trader is a prop firm that's absolutely worth considering. And those are our top picks for the best value prop trading firms in 2024. The firms on this list can help you kickstart your trading career without having to break the bank. Each firm we've showcased today not only offers competitive pricing, but also brings unique benefits to the table, catering to diverse trading styles and goals. Remember, the best fit for you will always depend on your individual preferences. We'd love to hear from you. Which of these firms catches your eye? And if you have any experience with any of them, share your thoughts in the comments. Your insights will be invaluable to our community of traders. And if you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share for more insightful prop trading content. Thanks for watching.